कैसे हो?
शुक्र है मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ, आप बताएं।
माशाल्लाह।
जी जी मैं जिंदा हूँ। श्रीमती आप जिंदा हो? क्या आप मुझे पहचानते हो?
Oh, you don't speak English, right?
Yes, I don't speak English.
Okay, I'm using Google Translator, okay, for Urdu.
Okay.
Okay, but
Okay.
let me have something. What you are eating? Give me.
Badabira. Badabira.
Baravila, but I asked you to have something, please. Oh, thank you. Okay, throw it on my palm. Throw it here. मैं कुछ मेनहा जानता हो.
मैं कुछ कहना चाहता हूँ.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, can I speak English right here as you got a translator? Can I speak English here?
Yes. Okay.
Okay. Men's Army.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you so much for coming up here. Please kindly you will translate my English to the Urdu this Friday. Okay. Anyway, you know, I have been really figuring out for a couple of the days. Okay, I was trying to find you.
Okay, you find me.
Yeah, now I got you. But I want to ask.
You're finding me.
Okay, now I want to ask a question. A Bangladeshi man has been crazy for you.
Who?
One of my. No, not me. Oh, my Tweety, go away now. Not me, but another person. So I said she is from Pakistan, but you guys are from Bangladesh. I can't really do anything for you. So what do you want to say about that?
Who is? I don't know.
Exactly.
Bangladeshi boy.
Exactly.
Where is?
The man wants to go to the Pakistan.
Okay. He is in Pakistan?
No, Bangladeshi.
Now?
No, Bangladesh.
Okay. He support me and then I want to talk to your friend.
What kind of support?
Depend on your friend.
Like, can you give me some example that you want?
Diamonds, and the second is payment.
Okay, how much?
20K.
Okay, I will tell him that the girl just asked for 20K to get to the Pakistan. Okay. Okay, I agree with you.
I agree with you too.
Okay. You are so
sweet.
You are so sweet also. You are my sweet friend.
Wow.
Anyway, did you keep fast?
No. Yes.
No, you didn't. First you said no. Crazy. You lied to me. You lied to me.
No, I'm fasting. Seriously. Promise by God, I'm fasting.
Okay, Alhamdulillah. I swear to God, I will keep all 30 fasting. Alhamdulillah.
That's good.
Okay, my dear friend, now...
Where is Bangladeshi?
He wouldn't be able to afford 20K, probably. What will happen by then?
Okay, then tell him to forget.
Okay.
I am the big boy.
Okay, so I will tell him to forget you, right?
Yes, forget me.
Okay. Thank you so much for making me clear your position. If he is not able to afford 20K, so forget this relationship, right?
He sent me 20K, so I will agree. Okay, then forget me.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, Hafiz. Bye bye. Take care.